Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a backpack blower with a broken ripcord. The first thing we'll need to do is remove 3 of these 6-pointed star screws known as Torx. You can get a Torx tip like this to go in there, or if you don't have that, a small flat blade will lock in and turn these pretty well too. So out they come, 1, 2, 3, and then this pulls out. Next, we'll remove this spool. Take a picture with your phone so you remember how it goes back together. Using a screwdriver, or preferably long nose pliers so it doesn't go flying, remove this clip. Grab that washer and these 2 little wings so you don't lose them, and pull your spool out. I unwound the spool, and now we have 3 options. If your cord broke very near the handle, you can probably just cut off the fray and reattach it and have a little bit shorter cord. If it broke a little too far down like mine, you want to get a new mower cord for about $5. Or you can buy 25 feet of paracord or parachute cord, which is essentially the same thing for about the same price. Stretch the cord and cut it to length with the scissors. This stuff frays pretty bad, so you can just melt it a little bit with a lighter and then squeeze it with pliers. Pull your old rope out of the spool. To get the new rope in, push it in, flip it over, and push from the back so you can grab it from the front. Tie a knot in the end, tight, and pull it back down. We need to attach the other end to the handle, but don't forget to go through this first. There's a cap on the handle that you need to pop out with a knife, and then push out your broken cord. Run your new cord through the handle. Pull the bad cord out of this plastic piece. Push in the new cord. Tie a small tight knot in it. Pull the cord back down. Pull it into the handle and pop the cap back in. Wind up the cord clockwise on your spool and put it back in here. You'll probably find it droops like this, and the solution to that is to pull the cord right here and wrap it around one more time inside so it's tight. Put your wings back in, that little washer, and this clip. Bolt it back on and start your blower. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your blower string.